The best crypto wealth transfer community is right here. You found it. God's Wealth Transfer. This is a community I started about 4 years ago when I first got into the wealth transfer community, because I wanted to have a group of people that were in the same mindset as me in this wealth transfer. And I wanted to start this group along with my channel. And I started making videos, my thoughts on the wealth transfer, prophecies, or even sharing my own dreams that I had. And we grew this community to over 1,000 plus people. And people from all over the world, right? In the United States and other countries. And I've met so many people, so many experiences. It's been an amazing journey. The number one thing that I love about this community, and if you guys haven't joined yet, I don't know what you're doing. If you're watching this video, you haven't joined yet, it's going to be the link, the first link in the pinned comment. It's a free Telegram community. We have over 1,000 people. And as I was saying, the number one thing that I love about this community is that the center focus is always Jesus. Jesus Christ. He is always the center. Right? Of everything that we do, all of our decisions, based on, our money, and as we see ourselves as stewards. Right? It's not our money, it's God's money. Especially when He blesses us. So this community has been an amazing experience. Join. And what's amazing too is that it's not like, this is not my community. I'm not like the leader of this community and saying, we believe in this, or we believe in that, or this is bad, this is good. No, this is our community. And we have so many people that disagree on things. That's part of being a community, right? It's not like a cult-like following group or something like that, which you see so many other groups be like. This is a very unbiased group where we share, in friendly debates and friendly discussions, talking about maybe a new prophecy that came out, or a new prophet, or what they think about this project and things like that. So that's what I love about this community, and that was my goal. My goal is to have a community like that where we can discuss, and we can discuss in a civilized way. But we know that the center focus is always Jesus, right? And towards the end of the video, I'll share some of my thoughts regarding the wealth transfer and what's going on, and what I believe for the future. But if you guys haven't yet joined God's Wealth Transfer, definitely join. It's free. Like I said again, it's going to be in the pinned comment. The Telegram group is going to be right there. If you don't use Telegram, I highly recommend you download it. It's an amazing app. I prefer over Discord. I know a lot of people like Discord, but Telegram is just, in my opinion, it's more simple. Discord is more, it's more in-depth, right? There's more things to it, more groups, like it's like more groups, more chats within one big group. But Telegram is just one group. Our group is just one group, and everyone's right there, and you can text and you can talk, right? You can text whatever you want. And all I would say is be careful with the spammers. Be careful, not the spammers, but like the scammers. That's what I meant. If you see people messaging you that have my profile pic, my name, it's a scammer. Because the number one thing that I say all the time is I will never direct message first. And there's many ways to come about this. That's the first one to know. I will never direct message first. There's also, you can look at the tag, right? Because my tag on Telegram, at least, will always be Sir Lewis BR. If it's Sir Lewis 1, 2, 3, 4, all these different variations, it's not me. So just be careful with that. And I also want to give a big shout out to the moderators. Shout out to the moderators in the group who do an amazing job at, when I'm working, I'm not looking at the group. And sometimes there are spammers or scammers, and they delete them and ban them right away. So shout out to all the moderators. You guys do an amazing job. And, my goal, long-term goal with this group is to not just be a group regarding the wealth transfer, but be a group where we can connect one day, where we can network, and we can, during this wealth transfer, even before and after the wealth transfer, we can meet, we can discuss, right? Maybe someone becomes is an accountant, right, or a realtor, or a doctor, or this and that. We can all connect and help each other grow wherever we are, and maybe even see each other in real life depending where we are, right? So that's my long-term groups, for us to actually be not just an online community, but a real community one day, especially after the wealth transfer and we're going through it. So definitely join if you guys haven't yet. And towards the end of this video, I also want to talk about my other Telegram group, which is Cryptopolis. Now, as far as the wealth transfer community, it's God's wealth transfer, and it's going to be pinned here in the pinned comment. This other group was a group that I created just for crypto itself. So it's just mainly for crypto, for people that are just crypto investors. For a lot of people that watch my TikToks and Instagram and all that, they wanted a group for just talking about crypto and projects and the future of crypto, and also trading as well. So like it's a very a big trading group. So if you want to join that too, definitely join. We got 1,000 people. It's an amazing group to talk about crypto and stuff. So definitely join. Not to, we also talk about crypto and the wealth transfer too, but the wealth transfer is much more than just crypto, right? It's Christian focused. So those are my two groups on Telegram. It's 100% free. You guys can join, and it'll all be in the link below. All right. And my thoughts on the wealth transfer, guys, is that I've always believed it, right? I had dreams regarding it, and I shared it here in my channel. You can look in my channel and see. So I've always believed it, and I never doubted, any of my dreams and any of the things that's happening, because it's, when you look at it, it's not just crypto. It's happening with the real world. We're seeing the world change, be right in front of our eyes. We're seeing our currency change. We're seeing our currency be inflated. We're seeing, all these connections happening within the world. We're seeing this transition from fiat money to digital, right? Where they want to implement a CBDC and all these things happening. And it aligns with the wealth transfer, aligns with this transfer of wealth that's happening as we speak. So I strongly believe in the wealth transfer. It doesn't mean that all these prophets are legit. There are plenty of prophets that are not legit, and they're false prophets, and they're mainly doing these things to grow their channel, and they're prophesying off of their flesh. There are plenty of them. That's why we have to be vigilant, and that's a big part of why I share this community, for us to discuss in a civilized manner, not to argue back and forth, but us to share our thoughts regarding certain prophets, certain prophecies, and things like that, because we connect it with the real world, with the charts as well, in trading, right? So those are my thoughts. I'm so super faithful. I know there's a purpose for all of us in this wealth transfer. So definitely follow if you guys are new. Join the community if you haven't yet. And love you guys so much. Comment below what you guys think and leave a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.